Hi, it's April. Today we're going to talk about dressing sticks and zipper pulls or button hooks. So a dressing stick is a really good piece of equipment. You can use it post-op for shoulder surgeries, arm surgeries. You can use it to reach up and grab things down from the closet, but it can assist in dressing. So on one end you see there's kind of like a little hook that goes one way, other side there's a hook that goes the other way. On this end, we have another hook that actually can hook onto your zippers and assist with pulling zippers up and down. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use this to reach, and we're gonna grab our sweater down, and then you can actually hold it while you put one arm in. And then what you can do is you can come around from the other side, and if this cooperates, sometimes it takes practice, you're going to be able to hook the back side of your sweater and pull it around. So again, you've got your sweater, slide your one arm in and up. You then can reach, grab the hook, come around from the other side. I'm struggling. And you can put your arm through. We also have a button hook. So with a button hook, you're gonna go through the eye of the clothing, loop it over the button, and then if you just pull through, it's going to button for you. So again, go through the eye of the shirt, onto the button, and then just pull the hook back through. To undo, same thing. You can go, you're gonna grab the button. You'll go through the hole and push it out. So again, over the top of the button and through. They also both have hooks on the end, again, to use as a zipper pull. So how that would work is once you have your shirt on, your pants on, you can start your zipper. You can then take the hook, feed it through, and you're gonna be able to pull up and zip. So that is a zipper, button hook, and a dressing stick.